What's going on, guys? Welcome back to Florida Vision Technology. Today we're going to be unboxing a new device that is hot on the market. A lot of people have been talking about it online. You've probably heard about it. If you haven't heard about this device, you've definitely probably heard about the application. So there's an app out there called Envision, that's Envision, that you can download to your smart device that helps with things like reading, detecting objects, describing scenery, and so many other really cool features. Well, Envision has now come out with a device that allows you to do everything that the app does, a little more on a pair of glasses. So here at Florida Vision Technology, we recently got some of our products in, so let's take it out. Let's see what we got going on here. I'm super excited about this. Okay, so it comes in two pieces. All right. Cool. Let's put this box off to the side and take a look at what we got. So again, it comes in two pieces. I guess the first part I'm going to open up is the band that you wear, that you're going to connect your Envision glasses to. So this is what the box looks like. It's really nice. Just push this out, slides right out. And on the inside, we have the band that we're going to use to wear the Envision glasses. Here we go. So this is what it looks like. It's very light. I think it's made out of titanium. So for those of you who cannot see, the band that looks like half a frame of glasses, with the exception it's missing the frame. So what I mean about that is you have a left arm to go over your left ear, and then it goes across your forehead. It has two nose pads for your nose, so you can wear it on your face. And there's no lenses, there's no frames. And on the right side, there's a little circle that allows us to connect this band to the Envision glasses. So very simple, very nice. All right, so let's check out the actual base of the product. Here we go. So it's really nice packaging again. So Envision uses the Google Glass hardware to run their software, and that allows us to use it. So I'm opening the box. Again, it's really nice packaging. Here we go. So in the top of the packaging, I have a little Braille card here. What is this? Go to envisionglasses.com. So if you go to envisionglasses.com, it's going to tell you how to set up your unit. Underneath that, we have a little bit of a material. And again, for those of you that can't see, it's a rectangle shaped box. It feels really nice, it's solid packaging. And here is the Envision glasses itself. Again, they're using the Google Glass hardware to run Envision glasses. It's very cool, very slick. And this is what's going to make up the right side of those frames that we were looking at earlier, the right side of that band. Very cool stuff. So how can I best describe this? So it kind of looks like an arm. And on the front of the arm, you have a lens. So when you're wearing this device, the lens actually goes a little bit above your eye. It actually sits maybe by your eyebrow, I would say. And the lens has a camera built in, and that's what's going to allow us to use the Envision glasses to read text, describe scenery, detect objects, detect faces. And it has a really cool feature called calling an ally. And when you call an ally, what happens is they will contact, let's say I have a friend, right? And I can send them an ally invite. So once they accept that ally invite, they're able to see exactly what I'm looking at on their smartphone through my Envision glasses. So it's kind of like sighted assistance without the assistance there. And in my demonstration video, I will show you how that works. It's super cool. Along the right side of the arm, you have a touchpad, and that's how you interact with the device. We can swipe forward, swipe backwards, up, down, and different type of taps we can use. And let's see. Towards the back, we have a USB-C port for charging. And on the inside of the arm, you have a power button. So I'm going to connect this real quick to the band so I can wear it. Check it out. So again, here's the band. Oh, and on the top of the eSight glasses, there's a home button so you can get back to the main menu quickly. All right, so let's connect this. All right, so I'm putting that loop that I was talking about earlier on the band over the home button. Now this should connect magnetically and let me twist to, there we go. All right, cool. And this is what it looks like. So now it actually looks like a pair of glasses, right? Because you have the left arm of the band that goes over your left ear, and the Envision Glasses makes up the right arm. So if I wear it like this, it just looks like I'm wearing a pair of glasses. And again, the lens of the Envision Glasses is right by my right eyebrow. I'm wearing the nose pads on my nose, and the arm, the Envision Glasses, makes the right side of the glasses, makes the right arm. So now I'm wearing it. It's a super comfortable fit. It's very light. When I'm wearing it right now, I actually feel like I'm wearing a pair of Ray-Bans, like I'm wearing a pair of shades. I mean, they don't look like Ray-Bans, but they feel very comfortable, right? They're very comfortable. Let's see what else we have in the box of the Envision Glasses. So underneath, let's see, there's another little box. I guess this is our charger. Let's see. Very cool. So it is a USB-C cable that allows us to charge our device. It does not come with a charging block, but I'm sure we all have some of those lying around, whether it's from our Android phones, our tablets, our iPhones, our iPads. It's the same type of block. One side is USB-C on here, so we would plug that into the back of the Envision Glasses for charging. And the other side is USB, regular USB-A, and that would go into the block, and the block would go into the wall, and then you can charge it, or you can connect it to a computer that has USB and charge it that way. And anything else in the box? No, that's it. Anyways, I'm super excited to have this. I can't wait to demonstrate it to you guys. That video will be coming out soon. If you like this video, if you like seeing things that are unboxed, that are new products for the people who are visually impaired or totally blind, hopefully I can do more in the future. But go ahead, subscribe if you haven't already, like it, leave your comments. And if you're interested in the product, you can email me at jose@floridareading.com. So that's JOSE@floridareading.com. All right, I'll catch you guys later. Bye.